I made some coffee scrub. Ooh, look at it. Nowadays, everything is a content. Yes, I made some coffee scrub for my face. Ooh, it consists of coffee, body wash, face wash, baking soda, honey, rose oil. Yes, when I done with the coffee scrub, so I'm just going to set it on my face for a little while. Let a little moisture of the sugar that I put in it just sink right in. Yes, I'm going to let a little of the sugar sink right in. Tell you something, the other day I was taking a shower and I used this. It was judgment. When I think all of it wash off my body, I had was to go back in the shower because there were some places that this thing still stick on. I don't drink coffee, but I use it for my face. Oh, to scrub the hell away. Yes. See the thing with this coffee scrub here? See it? That's the container, coffee scrub. Ooh. You're gonna see my face nice after me done with coffee scrub. But guess what? I'm making a mess. Ooh. I'm making a mess. And then, you know what I'm gonna add? Some nice sea salt. Ooh. Ooh. Some sea salt to the mix, you can't go wrong. Yes. So, I'm gonna wash it away now. Yes, I'm washing away the sea salt and the thing. But wait, it come like a shower me I take. I did get a bath. I did bathe myself. Come like me get a full bath. And I make a mess. I made a hot mess right in here, so. My face clean as a whistle. Yes. My face, look at my face. Clean like a whistle. Look there. Woo. Look there. The salt sauce slightly burning me. I'm allergic to the sea salt business. But anyway, I love the sea salt. When it come on to facial stuff, I have a lot of things for face, you know. Let me get some cold water. to run over my face now. I saw the thing there. As I told you, I just take a second bath because this is more than more than face washing. Hey. This is more than face washing, my love. Yes. Next, I have my butter that I spray. But guess what? This is gonna be it. I don't have it right here, so with me. So after I spray, I'm just gonna wipe away. And I have a nice little thing I'm gonna put on my face. Oh. Yes. Ladies like to beautify themselves. And this is some rose oil. I'm gonna put some drips on my face. I like when my face having that moisture. Yeah, man. The moisture. Moisturize. Yeah. You know, I have some dry rose petal. So what I did, was to put the dry rose petal into this. And guess what? It's so nice. I bought this rose oil. And then, you know, when you know the benefits of rose leaf, when the red rose dry, please don't throw them away. You can make your own rose water. And you also can put them in a bottle with some oil. And then it infuse. And you do your face with it. Look there. See how me shine and clean? Yeah, man. Rose oil do that. Yes. So, that is it. Next, I have some moisturizer that I put in this container. Not the original container, but it's some moisturizer. And then I get to moisturize my face. You know, with my clean hands, I go in and I moisturize my face. Yeah, sometimes you have to take a little self-care. Spend a little time on yourself. And when you spend a little time on yourself, oh my goodness, it feels so good. Because if you don't take care of yourself, nobody not gonna take care of yourself for you. So this is what I do. You want to push this back? Oh. Do this to your face, my love. Do this. Do this and beat me. Yes. Look at my face. Well moisturized. Oh, yes, because my hand have been the grease tonight. Not now waste. Nothing not going to waste. So you see what I do? I did. You see what I just did? Yes, man. Put that back so. And that back so. Yes. Yeah. Yes, indeed. So you see when me I got to do makeup. Listen to me. All of my business out the door. It's lunchtime already. This is also a day cream. This is also a little moisturizer. Bad. Expensive moisturizer, this. I'm going away. I'll be right back. And that is the end of moisturizing. Look on face. So when I'm ready to put on the makeup, and a few minutes later, you will see